okay, boy? You can do this, boy? Go easy, boy. Yep. Yeah, good boy. Yeah. Yeah. You're all right, boy. Yeah.
Who goes there?
It's me, Arthur.
Wondered when you'd roll back in.
And Arthur.
Morning, Arthur.
Arthur. Dutch, I need you to do me a favor. Nothing too serious. I need you to help Herr Strauss. I've been working hard, Dutch. I know. And I know Strauss's business is not too glamorous, but it pays. Please, son, for me. Okay.
Herr Morgan! Herr Morgan!
Mr. Strauss,
You busy, my friend?
why?
I'll cut you in.
Loaning. Already?
You know how it is. People is happy to borrow off someone like me, but more enthusiastic paying back to someone like you.
Of course. Who are they?
Let me see. Chick Matthews works at Guthrie Farm. He's a hand, I believe. Mr. Roble, the small holder at Painted Sky, runs the operations there, badly. Miss Lily Millet is a ranch maid up at Emerald Ranch.
And here was me believing Dutch's bluster about us helping folk.
It's legal work, Mr. Morgan. Debtors belong in prison. We are doing them a favor.
Aye. I'll make sure they see it in them terms.
Put the debts in the deed box and try not to kill them. It's very bad for business.
So, Arthur, when I was in Valentine, nosing about, I think I found something interesting.
What's that, Tilly?
Well, I'm not exactly sure. Something about the doctor's office. There's something funny going on there. Saw a bunch of nasty boys going in and none of them coming out.
Thank you. Maybe I'll go take a look. Anything else?
No, just that.
Well, keep looking.
Will do.
Are you feeling okay?
Ah, Mr. Morgan. You seem chipper? Well, where there's life, there's hope, my friend. And? We've been thinking about our problem all wrong. All wrong. That's all. Meaning? All in good time, my friend. All in good time. Always the showman. Yeah.
You there! Would you be interested in some friendly competition? I've come all the way north from Mexico to challenge a real...
Let's go, boy. Yep. Yeah. So up now.
I'll shoot you like a sick ass.
Please, don't!
God damn it. You're as good as dead. Ah. You Chick Matthews?
Oh, no, not me, sir. That's the greenhorn over there. Oh, and there he goes.
So long, long shark.
Damn it! Hey! Get back here! You owe us money! Ah! The more I
tell you where it is.
Goddamn treasure hunt? You're lucky I ain't taking your teeth as well.
Holy Moses! Aren't you gonna untie me? You got the map. Do the decent thing. I knew I shouldn't have borrowed. No! Come on, this ain't right.
Okay, boy. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Get up. Yeah. Easy there, friend. So...
Will you get out of my damn way?
Out of the damn way!
Hello there, pleased to see you. Clear this right up for you.
Thanks. I need to find a ranch maid here called Lily Millet. You know where she is?
Who? I don't think I know who that is. I'm sorry.
Lily Millet. Where can I find her?
Sorry, who? I don't think I ever heard that name.
You know where Lily Millet is?
I'm sorry. I just don't know who that is. Why are you still asking me? Oh, hello again.
Giddy up. Lily Millet. She's a ranch maid here. You know where she is?
Don't know.
Miss Millet, the ranch maid. You know where I can find her?
Any idea of the hole I'm in?
Oh, come on! Why's it always gotta be such a goddamn performance with you? Now, I told you I'd get you the money next week, and I'll get it.
If you didn't make it this week, who's to say you'll make it next?
Don't you take that tone with me. I thought you said you loved...
Lily, where's our money?
What?
That loan you took. It's payday.
I'm sorry. I don't have it right now.
Well, then. I guess we got a big problem, don't we?
Cooper, give him what you've got.
I ain't giving him nothing except a lessening damn manners!
Son of a bitch! At least hit me proper. Still think you're tough?
All right. He has all my money. I gave it all to him. Just take everything that you find on him and let me deal with it. Please.
Come on,
You know what I do to thieves? Law will hear about this.
I didn't steal that. It's a debt. Oh, damn it.
Ain't mine, big son, no sir.
Stop, or I'll kill you. I swear.
Hey, just walk away, partner.
Not a word about this to nobody. You understand me?
You're... Get your
Don't
face broke.
make this difficult.
Good. You're back in one piece. Who's that?
Arthur!
Welcome back.
Yankee dreamer in a world I no longer understand.
Arthur. Friends turned into a toad, lovers into stone, entire country turned into morons. Curses everywhere. How you getting along, Mr. Leslie? Valentine's curse. Didn't quite understand what the woman was saying, kind of her being a bit of an idiot. Something about a massacre, last surviving Indian, cursing the county. Well, if they massacred people, that's the truth of it. I won't lie to you. Oh, Miss Roberts. I know. Where am I gonna go? Stay here with us. Oh, they ain't so bad. It's nasty out there on your own.
Hey, Arthur.
You're old enough to start pulling your weight now.
Mean.
Leave it, Arthur.
Lots
Just
to
for now.
do around here.
Till you're back on your feet
You
properly.
are mean. Go
Don't
away.
be an idiot, Arthur.
I'm sure your ma had chores at your age.
You
Don't
are
start with the
terrible.
curse. This place, John.
Hey there.
How did you get on, Herr Morgan?
I made a start on things. Haven't recovered all of it yet.
Good, very good.
My pleasure.
Well, if it's pleasure you're after, there is one other. This farmer preacher fellow I met in Valentine, Mr. Downs.
The opinionated little do-gooder? Yeah, I know the one. I certainly know the type.
Thank you, Herr Morgan.
There's no need to thank me. Like you said, it's pleasure I'm after.
He's more slippery than he seems. I've tried being polite. Don't take any nonsense.
Nonsense? Me?
If he doesn't have the money, beat him.
Well, I usually do.
I know. I know.
You did good in town, finding out about that train.
Thank you. Having fun.
Mr. Morgan,
Yes, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Matthews gave me a message for you. He said when it was convenient to head into Emerald Ranch. He's looking at a few business things there.
Okay.
Oh, he'll find something too. He always does. Will you be well now, Mr. Morgan?
I'm always well, Miss Grimshaw. Here. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. You here, Reverend? Swanson, you in here? Swanson! Swanson, you hear me?
Come on. What's the whole...
Mr. Morgan, I took your advice, sir. I took your advice.
Then your god has finally deserted you. What you talking about?
I took your advice, sir. I have removed myself from Morpheus's embrace. No more shall I sink, sir. I am free. I am free.
You don't seem free, friend. You seem drunk.
Sit down, Reverend. We ain't finished.
You ain't finished. Look at him. He's finished.
None of us forced liquor down his throat. Friend, I just wanted to play.
Now, firstly, we ain't friends. Don't make no mistake on that subject. Now, secondly, he can't hardly see, let alone reason. Now, reasoning ain't never been one of my strong points neither, but seeing I do just fine. You want to step outside or deal with business here?
I just want him to finish the game.
Why can't we all just get along? These are good men, Arthur. They're children of God. They're children of God.
How's about you playing his place, huh? That seems fair?
Fair?
Sure. You want a game?
I can't, partners. I don't mean to spoil your fun, but I got things to do.
You sure?
Quite sure. I gotta get him out of here. Come on, Reverend, let's get you home. Where'd he go?
I don't know. I was talking to you.
Gentlemen. Reverend! Reverend Swanson! Where'd you go? Excuse me, I'm sorry. You see a drunken idiot, a priest, wandering about?
Sure, we saw him, smelt him, and avoided him. He went that way, I think.
Thanks.
Guy looked kind of crazy, mister.
Okay, boy. Have you lost your mind? Yeah. Hey, get your hands off him.
I didn't say a word.
You'll keep. You stay.
Oh my God! Killed him! I'm gonna get the law on you.
You're a fine man, Arthur.
Damn it, Reverend. Hey, you! Get back here! Now what? Where's Reverend? Swanson! Come on! A friend! It's just a simple mistake. You can still be saved. Huh? What have you done with your foot?
It appears to like this place and wants to stay.
Get your foot out of here! Twist your leg, you drunken bastard! Got it! Come on!
Thank you, sir.
Oh, no, you don't! What the hell is wrong with you?
What the hell is wrong with you? Throwing me off a bridge like that?
There was a goddamn train, you crazy bastard!
Have I been bad again, Mr. Morgan? I'm sorry. I wish I was different.
Let's get you home.
Home? Yeah, that's a wonderful idea. I could have tea with Margaret.
Margaret? Who's Margaret?
But... I told him.
I was wondering when he'd show up.
better sleep your way to salvation, my friend.
Oh, what happened?
Just the usual.
Poor bastard.
Exactly.
Well, thank you, Mr. Morgan. I'll keep an eye on him.
He was lucky this time. Real lucky.
Arthur? Boy.
How are you holding up?
Not very well.
I'm sorry. It'll get better eventually.
Yep. Knock, knock, Mr. Robe.
No przepraszam, co pan robi w moim domu?
God damn it. English?
Uh,
You speak English?
Silesia.
Yeah, good for
Upper
you.
Silesia.
I'm here for money. You borrow from a German man?
Aha, German. Mein Herr, sprechen the Kaiserreich.
I don't speak German neither. I'm here for money. Money that you borrowed from Leopold Strauss.
Leopold Strauss.
Uh-huh. Yeah. So it's time to pay. Where is it?
Oh, well, no, have nothing. It's very bad winter.
We've all had a bad winter, pal. Where is it?
Oh, no. No, nie.
Now, you remember where you're keeping that silver?
Potrzebuję trochę czasu. Znajdę ci pieniądze.
Oh, still don't understand you. God damn it, you have a debt to Herr Strauss. Pay up!
Przestań! No. Please, no. Don't have money, but I have this. It's good. It's good. It's valuable. It's Warszawa, yes.
I have your things, okay? I have anything in here or out there.
Yes.
There we go. You must have come here with something.
Very valuable. Good?
Not good yet.
No.
Yes. Better be something somewhere. What do we have here?
Moja obrączka, nie!
Just keep quiet. Okay. That should about cover things.
To zabrałeś już prymitywie, idź precz. Jestem zrujnowany.